Most of our clients were either working with pretty high level people or even the owners themselves. And for them, sales is really important. So typically all these emails would come in or signups would come in, their sales team kind of have to sift through it, especially at scale. When you can now use that welcome series, even as a pre-qualifier or a filter, or a way to warm up the leads before they land in the salespeople's laps. So anytime that marketing can do something impactful for the sales team or the sales process, it becomes very valuable to them as stakeholders, right? They're not marketing people. But when you can show them the results of a report where we did this automation and it generated this many qualified leads, and then their salespeople are going, hey, it's a lot of money that now we're able to bring in because of what we did in the welcome series or some type of automation. That's what gets our clients and stakeholders really excited.